Are you struggling with your blood sugar? Do you know that feeling, that afternoon crash, the constant craving for sweets, the brain fog that just won't seem to lift? Have you been led to believe that managing your health means a future of bland, boring food? Well, what if I told you that one of nature's most powerful tools for bringing your body back into balance could be this single, humble leaf I'm holding right here? In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to reveal what this leaf is, I'm going to share a delicious, simple recipe you can make every single day to help lower your blood sugar, reclaim your energy, and take back control of your health. The best part? You can start feeling the difference almost immediately. So, what is this miracle leaf? It's not kale, and it's not spinach, it's something far more potent. The host gestures to a bowl of fresh leaves on the counter. This is Moringa oleifera, often called the miracle tree. And it has earned that name. For thousands of years, traditional medicine has relied on moringa because it's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the entire planet. But its real magic for blood sugar lies in a unique combination of compounds. Modern science is catching up, and studies are showing just how promising moringa is for blood glucose. It's loaded with antioxidants, but most importantly, a compound called chlorogenic acid. You might have heard of it, it's also in coffee, but here you get it without any of the jitters. This compound can actually help slow down how quickly your body absorbs sugar from your food. It also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called isothiocyanates, which are believed to help improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. And when your body is more sensitive to insulin, it can finally use the sugar in your blood for energy, the way it's supposed to, instead of letting it cause problems. You're not just eating a leaf, you're giving your body a toolkit to help regulate itself. Now, before we go any further, there's something really important we need to talk about, and I need you to hear me on this. I am not a doctor, and this is not medical advice. Moringa is a powerful food, but it is not a replacement for medication. If you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or any other health condition, you absolutely must speak with your healthcare provider before adding this to your routine. It can interact with certain medications, so a professional's guidance is non-negotiable. Our goal is always to support our bodies with food, working with our doctors, not against them. Alright, with that crucial point made, let's get to the fun part and make something delicious. The easiest and fastest way to get your daily moringa is in a smoothie. I call this my blood sugar balancer smoothie, and it's incredible. The host moves to the blender where ingredients are laid out. Here's what we'll use. I'll start with our base, about a cup of unsweetened almond milk, right into the blender. Next, a big handful of spinach and about a quarter cup of fresh cucumber for nutrients and hydration that won't spike your sugar. For a touch of low glycemic sweetness, I'm adding a quarter of a green apple. And this next ingredient is your best friend, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The fiber in these seeds is critical. It slows down digestion and the absorption of sugar, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes. A little piece of fresh ginger goes in for a bit of zing and its own anti-inflammatory benefits. And finally, our star. I'm adding a generous handful of these fresh moringa leaves. If you can't find fresh, the powder is just as good, if not more convenient. If you're using powder, start small, maybe half a teaspoon for the first week, and work your way up to a full teaspoon. Your body will thank you for the gentle introduction. The host puts the lid on and blends the smoothie. Now we just let it go until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Look at that vibrant green color. That is the color of pure, healing nutrients. The host pours the smoothie into a glass and takes a sip. It's so refreshing. You get the coolness from the cucumber, the zing from the ginger, and just that hint of sweetness from the apple. It's genuinely delicious, and you can feel good knowing every sip is working for you, not against you. Of course, this smoothie is an amazing daily tool, but to really supercharge your results, you want to pair it with a supportive lifestyle. This leaf is powerful, but it's not a magic pill. So, here are 3 quick things to remember. First, move your body after you eat. A simple 10-minute walk after a meal can do wonders for helping your muscles soak up blood sugar. Second, hydrate with water. So often we mistake thirst for a sugar craving. Swapping sugary drinks for water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar and keeps you feeling great. And third, always prioritize protein and healthy fats with your meals. Things like avocado, nuts, seeds, or eggs slow down carbohydrate absorption, giving you steady, stable energy all day long. So, let's bring it all together. Our miracle leaf, moringa, is a nutritional powerhouse that can support your body's blood sugar systems. This delicious smoothie is the perfect way to get it in daily. And when you combine it with simple movements, good hydration, and balanced meals, you create a powerful synergy for health. If you found this helpful and you're excited to take control of your health, please give this video a like. It truly helps us reach more people. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to try this recipe, or if you have your own tips for balancing blood sugar. Let's help each other in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Here's to your health, your energy, and your balanced life. I'll see you in the next video.